Since it's already old and the ear is no longer functioning, we need to replace this one too. That's gonna be totally different. So this is like a talking bear. Yeah, it's a talking bear. If you press this one, hot. It has the music. It has the music. It has this one. This one is no longer functioning already. So we are replacing this one to a different one. The different one, we can program it to play with your favorite songs as well as also customize it to have the name. So I'm going to show you later on. Once she's already sleeping, I can set it up using computer. So I'll wait for her to sleep before I can set it up so I can surprise her tomorrow when she wakes up. Right? Okay, you want? So, kay tulog naman siya, iset up na nato.
I'm getting a little sleepy. Alethea, will you give me a hug? Alethea?
The setup is completed. Let's try now. Let's turn it on.
Hi, Alethea.
Okay, it says her name.
Can you think of something blue? My favorite food is cake.
Okay.
Is that your favorite food? Me and my friend.
Shows 5
Alethea,
songs.
we like to do jump, jump, jump. Up on our tail. Can you guess what I am? Can you think of something yellow? I'm thinking of the sun. Yellow. I like 5 minutes of bedtime.
Yes.
Good night, Alethea.
It says Alethea. 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 So we have done it while she's sleeping. So let's wait for tomorrow. I'm going to put it back in to the box so I can surprise her tomorrow. Yeah, she can open it and she will be surprised hearing her name over and over again. Okay, good morning. Open. Open. What is that? Open. What is that? What's that? What is that? Open. Open. You open. This one. Ta-da! What is this? What is this? You take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Wow. Wow. What is this? What is this? What is this? Yes. Hi, Alethea.
My favorite. I like yellow. That's my favorite color. I like cake.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. And I'll call it Alethea. Just like you.
Like it? Olivia?
Can you think of something orange? My favorite food is cake. That's you guess what I am. Yeah. 5 minutes of bedtime. Good night, Alethea. 10 minutes of
Olivia?
5 minutes of bedtime. Can you think of something red? I'm thinking of apples. Red. I love apples.
You love apple?
My favorite animal is a cat.
So you have two friends. Two friends. This one. Nice. Hot. And which one you like? Which one you like the most? Aw, you like the green one. You like the green one the most? Uh. Okay. You like it? You liked it. Oh.
I'm feeling happy. Olivia, show me your biggest smile. I'm getting a little sleepy. Olivia, will you give me a hug?
A hug, baby. A hug. Give a hug. Give a hug.